Now let's look at a method to create new invoice without quotations. From the sidebar, go to Sales Invoice. Click Create Invoice. Select the appropriate series default, date, and customer. Set the buyer type to B2B, B2C, or B2G. Add the items just like in quotations. The rate and amount auto-calculate. Specify payment terms like 30 days. Taxes will pull from the merchant's tax settings. Make final checks on product, pricing, and applicable taxes. Once confirmed, click Save to go under draft mode. Then click Action and select LHDN validation. The invoice will be sent to LHDN via API for verification. A message will be prompted after a few minutes. Refresh the screen for updates. Ensure to check the invoice URL and LHDN status. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.